What's up, aviators? Happy Tip Tuesday. My name's Clay. I'm an instructor here at Sierra Charlie Aviation, and this week I'm bringing to you a ForeFlight tip. This is an awesome tool that I like to use anytime I record my flights, and it's called track logs. Let's go ahead and dive into ForeFlight and take a look. So on the bottom right, you can go ahead and hit the More tab, and we'll go up to Settings, and here we need to make sure that the track logs is activated. So let's go ahead and scroll down, and from here you're going to go to the track log section, and we'll go ahead and make sure that Enable Start Stop Control is on and Enable Auto Start Stop is on as well. From there, we're ready to start recording. So before you taxi, you can go ahead and go to the bottom left and hit the REC button. That stands for record. So if you forget to hit the record button, ForeFlight's implemented a safe tool in there that as soon as you start rolling down the runway, it'll track that you're at a takeoff speed and it'll go ahead and start recording for you. After your flight, you can go ahead and hit the REC button, or if you forget, again, ForeFlight will take care of that for you and shut it off. After that, you're gonna go back into the settings, and then under the track log section, it'll implement a draft for you. You can click on the draft, go ahead and review the total time, and you go ahead and send it to your logbook, and then after you send it to your logbook, review that the HOBS, the start time is all correct, and you can put it in your logbook. As always, it's a great day to be an aviator. We'll see you guys next Tuesday.